Hi, so today is my end of March Stitch Fix. It's my spring box. I asked for some t-shirts, a spring summertime crossbody bag, some more spring dresses, and I think that that's all that I asked for. Oh, and then a light cardigan for those spring and cooler summertime nights. And I wanted color. I tend to wear a lot of black, a lot of gray. I'm 55 years old. I'm 5'2". I weigh about 110 pounds. And this is my 8th Stitch Fix or so. And what it is it's a styling service that you can go online onto stitchfix.com, fill out a profile. You get 5 items, shoes, accessories, or clothes, or a mixture of whatever you want. You go ahead and kind of fill out your lifestyle, your preferences, color choices, patterns, and you get the convenience of having that box delivered. You don't pay for postage when they send it to you or when you send anything back. It's all free. You get a little mailing bag. It's super easy. If you buy all of the items, you get 25% off the total of everything, which is a great deal. So I highly recommend trying it out, especially if you don't like to go to malls and department stores and go into that dressing room and try things on. I don't like doing that. It's really kind of overwhelming for me, so I love getting this box. Right now I'm getting it every month. I'll probably switch to seasonally because I don't have a lot of clothes. I don't work outside of the home, and I'm very, very casual, so I don't need the volume of clothing that some people really enjoy. So I'm going to jump in. The first item is by Michael Stars, and it's the Skyler V-neck tee. This is an extra small in red. It's kind of an interesting red. It's almost a corally red. It's not your blue red. It's a warmer red, but it's a basic V-neck t-shirt. It's very soft. The fabric feels like not 100% cotton. Let's see. Okay, it's 50% cotton and 50% modal. I think you say it, M-O-D-A-L. Super soft, pretty color. I am a t-shirt and jeans girl, so I will probably really like this. And then the next one is also a t-shirt. It's by 41 Hawthorne, and it is their Revani bar back knit top in extra small. This is the dark gray. Looks like this in the front, very basic, but in the back it has this nice detail. So if you're wearing a ponytail or your hair up in a bun or something, it shows your back through with these stripes. It's also super soft. And I do love gray, even though it's not a great spring or summertime color. I will definitely wear this if it looks good on. And it is machine wash, line dry cold, which is really important to me. And the other t-shirt is also machine wash cold. I don't want to have to dry clean anything unless it's really extra special. So far that's great. And then the next item is a cardigan she found for me. And this is by Letty and Me. It's an extra small. It's in coral. It's the Victoria Pointel cardigan. It's like 3/4 length sleeves. It's got some detail around the bottom. I don't know if you can pick that up or not. And it looks less boxy, and I like this kind of peachy light coral color. That's pretty. I don't have any cardigans that are like this, so that's a good thing. And then next is this dress. It's by Wisp. It's a Cindy jersey dress, and it's a 4 petite. It's rayon and polyester. It's got this interesting sort of braided rope detail around the neck, and then that open slit zips up the back, no pockets, and it's petite, so it should be the right length for me. Sleeveless. I don't love my upper arms, but you know, when it's hot outside, who cares? And I'm working on them, trying to get some muscle, but yeah, this is pretty, and it feels, what is it, polyester and spandex. Okay, I like that. Hopefully that looks good on. And then the last thing is still in the box. It is the crossbody bag by T-shirt and Jeans. Oh, I like the company's name. And it is the Karen double zip crossbody bag. So it has this adjustable thin crossbody strap. it has a pocket on the outside, which is really important to me because I love to keep my phone in a pocket. This one snaps, and then it's got two zippers. Let me see if they've got, it's not leather, I can tell. It's more of a leathery kind, but nice. So this one zip has a pocket on the side, and then the other zip opening, and these are stitched together so they don't like snap open like some of them do, but you do have this pocket in the middle, which is kind of interesting, that doesn't open up to the outside, which is nice, so you could put something in there. And then this other zip side has a zipper pouch, which I really like to have the zipper because I always put, like, you know, feminine napkins or pads or whatever, or liners in there, because I hate having those rolling around inside my purse. So this is really cute. I like the color. It's light. So I have a lot of black bags. This one's a nice gray. Oh, I like it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and start trying some of these things on, and I will be right back. All right, so this is the Michael Stars Skyler V-neck tee. It says red, but really in the sun or indoor lighting, it looks more like a coral, like a darker coral color. I really like it because I have a lot of red in my skin, and so if I wear red, I can look very flushed and ready. And this, I was looking in the window, with my skin, really is pretty nice. It doesn't pull a bunch of red from, you know, out of my skin. So this is an extra small, and it's machine washable, really soft. I love the fit. It's not too boxy and not too fitted. I don't like too fitted because I carry my weight in my belly, and I don't like too boxy for the same reason. It ends up making me look heavier. So I love this. I love how long it is. It can come down and cover half my butt, and it's super, super soft. I really hope that it holds up in the wash. I tend to buy my t-shirts from Target, and they will fade very quickly and start to get pilly, but especially they will fade. So I'm hoping that the stitching is nice, that it doesn't fade. Those are my hopes for this because it's a more expensive t-shirt. In fact, I think this one is a little too expensive. It's $58. And it is a basic tee. But if it keeps its color, keeps its shape, doesn't pill, doesn't fade, and fits like this, I am a t-shirt and jeans girl. I will wear this regularly. So I'm going to go ahead and try on some more. This is the 41 Hawthorne Revani barback knit top. Super soft, super comfortable. It is modal and spandex. The other t-shirt was 50% cotton and 50% modal, and that lighter color, I'm wearing a very dark bra and it does not show through. So it's nice and, you know, not real thick, but you can't see anything through it, which is great. This one feels super soft, and I love the fit. It's a great length. It's an extra small, and I love this detail. Pardon my hair, I just let it air dry. I don't even know if it's all the way dry, but this is the detail in the back. Super cute. And I really like it. And my stylist said to go ahead and try it on with the cardigan. This is the Letty and Me Victoria Pointel cardigan. Love the length of the sleeves. I love how thin it is. Fits really well. And these can be more snug. This is an extra small because in the warmer weather, I'll be wearing short sleeves or sleeveless dresses or tanks or whatever. So this is just really nice. I love the length. I like the detail along the bottom and across here, if you can see that. Let's see, there we go. Really, really cute. And I don't mind how tight it is on my arm. I feel it feels really comfortable, real stretchy. It is machine washable and you lay it flat to dry. This would look really cute over sundresses with shorts and little t-shirts and tanks. So I definitely like it. I'm going to go ahead and try on the dress. This is the Wisp Cindy jersey dress. It's made out of polyester and spandex. It's machine washable. I love the length. It's a petite, a 4 petite. And I'm not used to wearing a halter dress. I have those little armpit chubs, you know, that some people just have genetically. I have those. So I tend to not like things that are cut where they show. But I don't really mind it, you know, I have to kind of get over that. It's super comfortable. It doesn't you know, come in too tight around my waist. It's the perfect length right above or at the knee for me. I love how cool it feels. It zips up in the back. It doesn't have pockets. This is a little bit different for me. This detail up here at the neck seems a little bit heavy, but it's interesting. I like it. I think it's colorful and fun. I could picture myself wearing flip-flops or sandals with this and just going out and running errands, or putting on nice flats like what I have, or wedge sandals, or even heels, and going out at night. And then I really like how light it is, and all of the pouches and pockets and zipper areas. Probably should have tried this on with a t-shirt and jeans, but it's nice for my frame, for as short as I am, to have one of these smaller bags. I just really like it. I think it's super cute. Honestly, this Stitch Fix is really great. I think I'm going to get everything, all 5 things. So that's pretty exciting. So that's the box, and I will wrap it up, come back and wrap it up in just a minute. I'm gonna get all of it. I'll get 25% off, which, let me look at the price sheet here, ends up being $63 off of the total. So that almost makes that dress free. I pay $3 for the dress, getting the 25% off. If you want to try Stitch Fix, I will leave a link below in the description box with my referral code. If you use it, it gives you $20 to $25. I never can remember how much off of your first box, and also it gives that to myself as well. That would be great if you would use it. If not, that's great too. Go online yourself and give it a shot. See what they'll find for you. Sometimes they pick out things that you would never lift off a rack and consider trying on, but you'll do it at home and you'll find some new styles that will really look great on you. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon.